Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're like me, then the best parts of your summer involve a hammock. And this hammock is not going to let you down. It has met every one of my expectations. It's perfect for lounging in and watching the world go by. So a few things that I love about it. I love how sturdy it is. These ropes and the fabric that it's made of is not only beautiful, but it's very sturdy. I'm kind of a heavier woman, so I'm a little leery about sitting in hammocks because I'm afraid I'm going to break them. But this one I could lay in for hours. It comes with this perfect little bag and everything is inside that you need. It comes with a couple beaners and some rope if you'd like to hang it around a couple trees in your yard and lay back and watch the birds play and watch the wind blow through the leaves. It's perfect. It was very easy to set up on my hammock stand. It only took a few moments of my time and then I was ready to waste the summer away. This hammock comes in different colors and I love the blue that I got. It's soothing and relaxing. Again, I want to bring out how durable it is and how comfortable it is to spend hours just sitting in the sunshine. This hammock is perfect. It's relaxing, it's beautiful, and you can waste away your summer in it. But that's just my point of view.